Are you feeling lost in today's world? Male identity is shifting. Many men struggle with purpose and discipline. Today, we'll explore how to reset your masculine identity. First, let's understand masculine identity. It encompasses traits like strength, discipline, and purpose. Yet, societal changes challenge these traditional views. Men often feel confused about their role. Now, let's dive into the steps to reset this identity. Begin with self-reflection. Ask yourself, what values shape your identity? Next, embrace vulnerability. It's a strength, not a weakness. Then, cultivate discipline. Start with small, achievable goals. Consistency is key. Lastly, seek a supportive community. Surround yourself with positive influences. To explain this further, think of your identity as a DNA strand. It evolves over time. Just like DNA, your identity can regenerate. Each decision shapes your experience and growth. Imagine a man standing tall, his silhouette glowing with a teal aura. Behind him, DNA strands rotate, symbolizing transformation. Pulse rings expand around him, illustrating his evolving identity. In summary, resetting your masculine identity requires reflection, vulnerability, discipline, and community. Embrace this journey for positive change. Ready to start your transformation? Join our online community today. Find support and resources to help you grow.